Welcome to this video on BCC's Mail Migration Engine. In this video, we're going to cover the IBM Domino to Microsoft Exchange migration. To explain how BCC's Mail Migration Engine, or MME, works, we are going to show you the architecture, how it's configured, the actual migration process, what the results are, and cover a small summary. Shown here is a diagram of the architecture of MME. As you can see in the top right hand corner, we have an IBM Domino server. On this server we have installed the MME code and configuration databases. This will connect through to the Exchange mail server in the bottom right hand corner. This connection is made via the Exchange Web Services protocols. The Domino mail server can also connect through to a store of notes user IDs. And these are used to decrypt mailbox documents so that they can be migrated. MME itself is an add-in to the Domino server, and this means that there is no need to install client migration farms or create technical user IDs for them. This architecture also allows us to utilize the power of the Domino server, its processors, and memory capacity. The configuration of MME is very simple. We get to configure each job or scenario in its own document, and then we specify when it should run in a schedule document. These are configured either from a Notes client or a web browser. Here you can see the configuration document in the Notes client. We can specify which mail files to take and what we should take from them. We also get to define if messages are decrypted and then re-encrypted, and how this mechanism should work in your environment. There are three general types of migration, the first being a scheduled migration. This could also be defined as the main migration, as this is where the bulk of the mail data would be migrated to the target system. We can also run manual migrations to correct any errors or test new migration policies. Once the main migration has been completed, it's best to keep the migrated mail files in sync with each other, and this can be done using the same configuration document as used previously. A very simplified migration timeline can be seen on screen, also showing the mail client the users would be working with. Whilst the mail is being migrated and other user mail files are being migrated, we would recommend leaving the users running in their Notes clients. At the point of go live, we would then turn off access to the Notes mail files and run a final delta sync to pick up any final mail that has changed. Then we make available the new mailbox in Exchange, so that users would then switch to the Outlook client or access their mailbox via Outlook Web Access. Now we are going to take a look at the results of the migration. As you can see here in the Notes client, we have a mail containing richly formatted content. If we switch over to this same user, but now in the Outlook Web Access browser client, we can see that this mail message has a high fidelity to its partner mail in Notes. Along with this, we can see that there are folders, calendar entries, contacts, and finally tasks that have all been migrated from Notes into Exchange. You could also add archived mail content to this migration if required. To summarise, we've shown that it's possible to install and configure the Mail Migration Engine on a Domino server and to migrate mail from Domino to Exchange. The mail, calendar, contacts and tasks all migrate with a high fidelity from one system to the other. As MME runs on the Domino server, it's easy to scale and very secure. There are no client migration farms to install and no technical user IDs or security backdoors to create. If you'd like more information about BCC's Mail Migration Engine, then please visit our website at bcchub.com/mail-migration. If you would like to discuss your own requirements or get a personalised demonstration, then please email us at the following address: contact@bcc.biz. Thanks for watching.